videos. Today we're looking at the MySQL logarithm function for positive numbers in MySQL Workbench 6.0, and we'll go right ahead and start. First of all, enter select, spacebar, and then control and spacebar. Page down until you find ln, which is short for logarithm, and within that parentheses enter a number that's above 0 and click on run. As you can see from the results, the value is 5.45 for logarithm value of 234, and in a minute I'm going to try it with a value less than or equal to 0, which should return a null value, just as an example. So again, I'm going to type in select, spacebar, then control space to get the prompt up for the functions. Then I'm going to select ln again, and within that I'm going to put in -1, semicolon at the end, and highlight that particular line. And then I'm going to click run again. As you can see, the value given in the results is null, because this value is equal to or less than 0. And that's it.